Welcome students. In previous lecture we have started second topic of biology, reproduction in lower and higher animals. Now in this lecture we will study the various steps of human reproduction and different sex organs. See here steps in human reproduction. First one, that is gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Synthesis of gametes called as gametogenesis. In case of male, sperm is the gamete and female gamete is egg or ova. Sperm and ova, these are the gametes synthesized by the process of gametogenesis. So first step in reproduction, that is gametogenesis. After gametogenesis, insemination occurs. What is insemination? Insemination means transport of sperm in female reproductive tract. That is called as insemination. Then third step, that is fertilization. When sperm and egg comes in contact with each other after insemination, then fusion of these gametes occurs, and fusion of male and female gamete called as fertilization so as to form zygote. So fusion of male and female gamete is called as fertilization. After fertilization, development of embryo starts from zygote. Zygote redivides so as to form morula, blastula, gastrula. Then organ formation occurs, placenta formation occurs. All these steps are togetherly included in embryogenesis. What is embryogenesis? Formation of entire embryo or fetus is called as embryogenesis. For embryogenesis required 280 days or 9 months, and this period is called as gestation. What is gestation? Gestation is the pregnancy period that it requires 280 days or 9 months in case of man. So after complete formation of embryo or after gestation, parturition occurs. So what is parturition? It is expelling out embryo from the woman's mother body or womb, that is called as parturition, or it is also called as delivery. So these are the various stages in reproduction of man. What is gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, embryogenesis, gestation and parturition. After that we will get into different sex organs in man. Human sex organs are mainly divided into two types, that is primary sex organs and secondary sex organs. Primary sex organ includes gonads. In case of male, gonad is testes, and in case of female, gonad is ovary. So testes and ovaries are the primary sex organs in human. So this testis undergoes development of the gametes, that is gametogenesis, or it is also called as spermatogenesis in case of male, so as to produce sperms, and in case of female, biogenesis produces eggs or ova. So sperm and eggs are the gametes. These gametes formation occurs during by this primary sex organ. So this phenomenon or this function is called as gametogenesis. It is the primary function of these sex organs. Then second function, that is synthesis of sex hormones. Which are sex hormones? In case of male, these are androgen. In case of female, these are estrogen and progesterone. So synthesis of sex organs and synthesis of hormones, these are the different functions of primary sex organs. Then we get into secondary sex organs. These secondary sex organs are developed in the sexual maturity phase or at the age of the puberty, and then here in case of male and female, external morphological characteristics are changes. These characteristics are called as sexual dimorphic characteristics, in which dimorphism occurs. Two forms are differ from each other, that is dimorphism. In case of male, beard formation, mustache development, hairs on the chest and well developed muscular body is formed. Whereas in case of male, also the thoracic throat region shows presence of sound box called as larynx. This larynx becomes enlarged apple-like structure. So this enlarged larynx is also called as Adam's apple. These are the various sexual development occurs in case of male, and these are called as sexual dimorphic characteristics in case of male. Then in case of female, these characteristics are formation of breast, then broad pelvis because of the presence of pubic symphysis, and the high pitch of voice develops in female during the age of puberty. So these are the various secondary sexual characteristics in human, and today we have completed here different stages of reproduction as well as different sex organs in case of male and female. Now after that we will go to the male reproductive system of man.